Welcome to the Road to Financial Freedom channel. Have you ever dreamed of retiring early? What if you could achieve financial independence and live life on your own terms long before the traditional retirement age? Imagine having the freedom to travel, pursue your passions, and spend more time with your loved ones. But how can you turn this dream into reality? Stick with us until the end of this video to uncover the secrets to retiring early and living your best life. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more invaluable insights and tips on financial freedom. Section 1. The concept of early retirement. What is early retirement? Early retirement is the goal of achieving financial independence at a younger age than the conventional retirement age of 65. This can mean retiring in your 50s, 40s, or even earlier. Why aim for early retirement? Freedom and flexibility. Early retirement offers the freedom to do what you want, when you want. Pursue passions. Focus on hobbies, travel, or start a new venture without financial pressure. Health and well-being. Enjoy a healthier lifestyle with less stress and more time for self-care and activities you love. The FIRE movement. The financial independence, retire early, FIRE movement has gained popularity, with individuals seeking to save aggressively and invest wisely to achieve early retirement. We'll explore the principles of FIRE and how you can adopt them to reach your financial goals. Section 2. Planning for early retirement. Setting clear goals. To retire early, you need to define what early retirement looks like for you. Consider your desired retirement age, lifestyle, and financial needs. Determine your retirement age. Choose a realistic age by which you aim to retire. Calculate your expenses. Estimate your monthly and yearly expenses in retirement, including housing, healthcare, travel, and leisure. Set a savings goal. Determine how much money you need to save to support your desired lifestyle. A common rule of thumb is the 4% rule, which suggests you need 25 times your annual expenses saved. Creating a financial plan. A comprehensive financial plan is essential for achieving early retirement. This plan should include your income sources, savings, investments, and spending strategies. Budgeting. Create a detailed budget to track your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut costs and increase savings. Savings rate. Aim to save a significant portion of your income, often 50% or more, to accelerate your path to financial independence. Emergency fund. Build an emergency fund with 6 to 12 months of living expenses to cover unexpected costs. Maximizing income. Increasing your income is crucial for saving more and reaching your retirement goals faster. Explore various ways to boost your earnings. Career advancement. Seek promotions, salary increases, or higher-paying job opportunities. Side hustles. Start a side business, freelance, or invest in income-generating assets. Passive income. Create passive income streams through investments in stocks, real estate, or other ventures. Section 3. Investing for early retirement. Understanding investments. Investing wisely is key to growing your wealth and achieving financial independence. Learn about different investment options and strategies. Stock market. Invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds to benefit from long-term growth. Real estate. Consider real estate investments for rental income and property appreciation. Index funds. Low-cost index funds provide broad market exposure and reduce risk. Compound interest. Harness the power of compound interest by investing early and consistently. Compound interest allows your investments to grow exponentially over time. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Consistent contributions. Regularly contribute to your investment accounts to take advantage of market growth. Reinvest dividends. Reinvest dividends to maximize your returns. Tax-advantaged accounts. Utilize tax-advantaged retirement accounts to save on taxes and boost your savings. 401k and IRA. Contribute to employer-sponsored 401k plans and individual retirement accounts, IRAs, to benefit from tax advantages. Roth IRA. Consider a Roth IRA for tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. Health savings account, say. Use an HSA to save for medical expenses with tax benefits. Section 4, lifestyle adjustments. Frugal living. Adopting a frugal lifestyle can help you save more and reach your early retirement goals faster. Reduce expenses. Cut unnecessary expenses such as dining out, entertainment, and luxury items. Smart shopping. Look for discounts, use coupons, and buy in bulk to save on groceries and other essentials. Minimalism. Embrace a minimalist lifestyle by decluttering and focusing on what truly matters. Debt management. Eliminating debt is crucial for financial independence. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first. Debt snowball method. Pay off smaller debts first to build momentum, then tackle larger debts. Refinance loans. Consider refinancing high-interest loans to lower interest rates and reduce monthly payments. Avoid new debt. Avoid taking on new debt, especially high-interest credit card debt. Maintaining good health is essential for enjoying your early retirement. Focus on physical and mental well-being. Regular exercise. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Healthy diet. Eat a balanced diet to maintain your health and energy levels. Mental health. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or other stress relief techniques to maintain mental well-being. Section 5. Strategies for maintaining financial independence. Sustainable withdrawal rates. Determine a sustainable withdrawal rate to ensure your savings last throughout your retirement. 4% rule. Withdraw 4% of your savings annually, adjusting for inflation, to avoid depleting your funds. Flexible spending. Be prepared to adjust your spending based on market performance and personal needs. Annuities. Consider annuities for a guaranteed income stream in retirement. Part-time work. Consider part-time work or consulting to supplement your income during retirement. Freelancing. Use your skills to offer freelance services online. Consulting. Provide expert advice in your field of expertise. Passion projects. Pursue hobbies or interests that can generate income. Continuous learning. Stay informed about financial trends and strategies to maintain your financial independence. Financial education. Continue learning about personal finance, investing, and retirement planning. Networking. Join communities and forums to exchange ideas and stay motivated. Advisors. Consult with financial advisors for personalized advice and guidance. Achieving early retirement is an ambitious goal, but with careful planning, disciplined saving, and wise investing, it is within reach. By setting clear goals, maximizing your income, investing strategically, and maintaining a frugal and healthy lifestyle, you can achieve financial independence and enjoy a fulfilling early retirement. Don't forget to subscribe to the Road to Financial Freedom channel and check out our other videos for more valuable insights on achieving financial independence. Stay committed, stay informed, and take control of your financial future. See you in the next video.